Why is stretching so important? It's a question that often gets overlooked in the hustle and bustle of our daily workouts. But let's dive into the world of stretching and explore just how vital it is to our overall health and fitness. Stretching, in its essence, is a natural and instinctive activity. It's often observed in the animal kingdom, right from domesticated pets to wild animals. It's a part of waking up, getting ready for the day, and preparing for physical exertion. But what exactly does it do? Stretching primarily serves to increase flexibility and range of motion in our joints. It enhances muscle performance and prepares the body for physical activity. It also helps to improve posture, reduce stress, and even alleviate muscle soreness. So, what are the different types of stretches one can engage in? The first one, static stretching, involves holding a stretch for a certain amount of time, usually around 30 seconds to a minute. This type of stretch is beneficial for cooling down after a workout, helping to alleviate muscle tension and increase flexibility. Dynamic stretching, on the other hand, involves moving parts of your body and gradually increasing reach, speed of movement, or both. It's an excellent way to warm up before a workout, as it prepares your muscles for the physical activity ahead. There's also PNF stretching, or proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation, a more advanced form of flexibility training that involves both the stretching and contraction of the muscle group being targeted. It's an excellent method to increase flexibility and promote muscular balance. Ballistic stretching involves bouncing movements where the stretch is not held at the end position. This type of stretching can be risky if done improperly, and it's generally recommended for individuals who have a solid understanding of their physical limits. And lastly, we have active stretching, which involves assuming a position and then holding it there with no assistance other than using the strength of your muscles. It's a fantastic way to engage your muscles and increase your overall body strength. In summary, stretching is an essential part of fitness. It helps increase flexibility and range of motion, prepare the body for physical activity, improve posture, reduce stress, and alleviate muscle soreness. With a variety of stretching types to choose from, including static, dynamic, PNF, ballistic, and active stretching, there's something suitable for everyone, regardless of their fitness level or experience. Remember, every workout should start with a good stretch. It's a small investment of time that yields big returns in performance and health. So, the next time you're about to jump into a workout, pause for a moment and give your body the stretch it deserves. It'll thank you for it.